Hello, this is Charlotte. Welcome to today's video on artwork knowledge. When it comes to custom printing, inevitably, you need to face the color conversion issue. The commonly used color mode for printing is CMYK. However, when we create the design on the computer, we often use the RGB color mode. So how to print the artwork created in RGB on screen on the printer with a CMYK color system? Yes, here color conversion is needed, and the artwork person will help convert the RGB to CMYK before printing. So what are RGB and CMYK? RGB is the most commonly used color profile in the world of computers, TV screens, and mobile devices. It is the process by which colors are rendered on screen by using combinations of red, green, and blue. It is specific to digital applications only. This includes mobile devices, computer monitors, laptops, TV and movie screens, and illuminated signs. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Different combinations of large and small CMYK transparent dots overlap each other to create a wide spectrum of colors. Whereas Pantone ink is one solid color throughout, a CMYK color is not. When you look at a CMYK printed piece through a magnifying glass, you can see a pattern of CMYK dots and how they overlap to make the final color. You often hear of people who design something on screen in RGB and then get disappointed when the finished printed piece is less vibrant. Since RGB colors are illuminated on the screen, their color gamut is larger than that of CMYK, so the color of your artwork on the screen is more vibrant than that of a printed piece. Digital printers often transform the RGB files to CMYK before printing, using their equipment because the conversion is specific to the output device. Every device has a particular color gamut it works with. To reduce the color difference after conversion, a standard Pantone color system will be used to match the color. It is important to note that there will still be a slight color difference in the finished product after the conversion.